Alright, hello everybody, welcome to our box break. This is our 2014 Topps Series 1 box break, the listing ended on February 9th, 2014. Looking for an autograph or a relic. 36 packs, 10 cards per pack. Power players, league leaders will go to the next team drawn in the pack. And then we're also looking for our variation cards, which are postseason, which are you can kind of tell. But then the other ones are those sparkle ones, which I can't tell because the sparkle is so tiny in all different spots. So be sure to take a look at your cards closely or look online for a guide to see if you have one of those sparkle variations. That being said, let's get this box going. We have one more box of 2014 Topps to do next week, and then I'm going to be waiting for a Heritage to come out. I haven't looked at the calendar yet, but usually it's late February, early March for Heritage, and then after that comes out, everything really gets started. So that being said, let's get going with this. Alright, lots of packs to open. Lots of cards, lots of rookies, inserts, parallels, hopefully variations. Let's get it going. We have Wilson, Altuve, Chisenhall, league leaders, which are the Dodgers, Marlins, and Mets. So next Dodger, Marlin, or Met that comes up, we'll take this home with it. We've got Lester for first insert, which is upper class, David Wright and the Mets, which will also take home the league leaders card with it. Ramirez, Street, Ghosts, and Fraser. Come on, pack. Wow. Everything's been good in here. Extra difficult to open this one. I have a die cut card. Crawford, McCann, Chu, Lagares. We have a gold short printed card. It is Dominic Brown and the Phillies. And they are out of 2014, of course. 1071. We have a nice mini retro, Justin Verlander, Tigers, of course, with the sweet 1989 look there. We got Denard, we got Doman, we got Escobar, and we have Grandal. No rookies yet. Remember last box, it's like friggin' a rookie feast. I think every team had like 3 or 4 rookies. Alright, we got Buster, and Trumbo, and Zunino. Got Pinto, rookie for the Twins. Got Hicks. We have a Tom Seaver insert for all rookie cup team for the Mets. Liriano, Feliz, Sanchez, and Cabrera. Chapman, Blackman, Peralta, Croy, Garcia. We have a red sparkle, which is Medlin and the Braves. Rookie, Aducci with the Rangers. We got Young, we got Jimenez, and we got Fegley. I think pitchers and catchers report this week, I believe. So things are just starting to get started. Getting closer. Burnett, McCutchen, Worth, All right, we have a nice Yasiel Puig, the future is now insert for the Dodgers. Wow, we have a nice, wow. We have a nice autograph for Madison Bumgarner and the Giants. Upper class, short printed out of 50. Madison Bumgarner and the Giants. Very nice. And if you're watching live, very, very nice. I'm going to go ahead and put that one aside there. Okay. Wow, so I'm very happy. That's, yeah, I'll give this box A minus already. Just because we got a Bumgarner auto, short printed to 49. I'm already happy. I don't even know what's in the rest of the cards, but I'm already pretty happy. Alright, whoever has Giants should be very happy. Okay, Peralta, Peacock, Rosenthal, Ryu, and Soria. Let's hope for some more rookies inserts. Hopefully another short printed card, camo or black or something out of 50 or 99. Hopefully get something else good like that too. Profar, Scherzer, Papelbon. Got a power player Jeter. Nice upper class Bo Jackson and the Royals. Martinez, Rogers, Dozier, Detweiler, and Gosman. We got Freeze, Stanton, Chen, league leaders. This is the Diamondbacks, Reds, and Braves. So next one that comes up, Fred Lynn, upper class for the Red Sox. Cole, Cozart, Henderson, Burley, and Cobb. Wonder if he's going to be wearing one of those new, I think they have the new padded hats for the pitchers now after getting conked in the head last year. We got Desmond. We got Montero, which will also take home league leaders, even though Montero was far from a league leader last year. David Ortiz. Got a nice Tom Glavine before they were great for the Braves. Nice card. Got Pettit, Granado, got Torres, and got Franklin. Tillman, Romo, Thornton. We have Ventura rookie for the Royals. Marlins. Got Villar, Red Sparkle for the Astros. Got Boscher's rookie for the Angels. Got Jansen and the Blue Jays. We got Marisnick, rookie for the Marlins, and Ackley. Davidson, rookie for the D-backs. Minor, Jones, Chris Davis, Dominguez. We have a King Felix mini 1989 retro. Alright, we have a nice Zach Wheeler, futures now for the Mets. Turner, Tazwa, and Davis. The other Chris Davis. He's over a little bit. Crowd out of my hand there. Alright. Lindstrom, Lester. I see we have a black parallel coming up. Lake, Longoria. It is Jason Castro, Black Parallel is a 99 out of 63, so 22 out of 63. Black Parallel for the Astros. Shelby Miller, Futures Now. Reggiano, Smith, Michael Choice, Rookie, and Segura. That's a pretty good card so far. I'm pretty happy with our mix here. Got the Puig, we got the Shelby Miller, Futures Now, we got the Wheeler. It's a good box. Carthy, Pennington, Ramirez, Blanco, Butler. We have one of those retro cards, Don Ace, the Red Sox. So you can guess the year. Let's see. I'm guessing, is this 78? It is. Oh, it is 78. Look at that. Actually know something about cards. It's a miracle. This card is jacked up, as you can see. Just you have the Red Sox. You got a little bit of paper missing there at the top, as you can probably see. But it is an original card, the new stamp. So, yay, sending out commons. Good job, Tops. Jacked up commons. I don't even know where they find these cards. Cook. They go to garage sales or something. I don't know. Castro, Pena, and Melanson. I mean, like, really, the Tops guys are all at the garage sale or something, just picking up boxes of old jacked up cards. Alright. As long as they can afford to have a Bumgarner auto in there, I don't care how they get the other cards. Villanueva, Hamels, Ionetta, Hanaran, Gomes, Hamilton, 50 years of draft. This is actually with the Devil Rays, because he was drafted with Devil Rays, so Josh Hamilton Devil Rays card. Romero rookie for the Rays. Isley, Simon, Vogelsong. Fieri, Johnson, rookie for the White Sox. Kipnis, Soriano, Segura, Futures Now for the Braves. I mean the Brewers. A lot of Futures Now cards. I think I got like a couple last box. I got like 5 already. De Jesus, Castellanos, rookie for the Tigers. Murphy, Xander Bogaerts, rookie for the Red Sox. And Middlebrooks. What a good box. I'm already going to give it an A. I mean, the Puig Futures Now. We got the Bumgarner auto out of 49 or 50. Things are good today. Tulu, Adams. We're not even done with the. We're not even halfway done either. Still got more cards to go. Loesch. We have League Leaders, which is the Rockies, Braves, and Braves. So Rockies or Braves taking home that one. Red Sparkle, Morales, and the Mariners. We've got our mini retro, which is Chris Davis and the Orioles. Redmond, Richard, Hishnick, and Peralta. Joel Peralta, not Johnny Peralta. I like saying Johnny Peralta better. Mauer, and Ramirez, and Quintana. And we have another League Leaders. This is the Tigers, A's, and Tampa Bay. Oh, the next card is the Miggy. So, Tigers will take it. Easy. Sheffield and the Brewers, upper class. Dominic Brown, Martin, Walker, rookie for the Mariners, and Ellis and the Dodgers. Still looking for Rockies or Braves. This League Leaders card. See where it's going. Sale, Agon, Upton. He will take home League Leaders. Kendrick, Alright, future is now Mike Trout. Nice. Very happy with this box. Chen, base Mike Trout. Keppinger, Goings, rookie for the Blue Jays. Salamakia. Garcia, rookie for the Dodgers. Panda, Shields, Markakis, Sanders. We have gold, Todd Helton and the Rockies. Short print out of 2014. Weeks, Correa, Puloff, and Hembree, rookie for the Giants. Victorino, Hayward, Barney, League Leaders, Pirates, D-backs, and Reds. We have a nice mini retro Sandy Koufax. And now we have a Futures Now Will Myers for the Rays. We may have the whole Futures Now set here in this box. Got like 8 of them. Straley. Gotta remember what I'm doing with the League Leaders. Okay, Straley. Ash Lambo, rookie for the Pirates. Take home League Leaders. And Avilas. Mike Avilas. Where do you go, Mike Avilas? Alright. Brantley. Viciendo. Andrus. Morales. Have a Freeze upper class for the Cardinals. Rizzo. Lowe, rookie for the Astros. Navarro. Kelly. Herrera. Gomez, Hunter, Flores, rookie for the Mets. Helton, base. Nolasco, Joe Kelly, Red Sparkle, Cardinals. Oberholzer, Gutierrez. Medica, rookie for the Padres. And Joyce for the Rays. We're about halfway through now. Got lots more cards to go. It's been a while to get through all of them. 360 cards. Voice is holding up alright today. Greinke, McLeod, Richards, Parnell, Cabrera. We have a Morton Gold parallel out of 2014. Shoemaker, rookie. Rienzo, rookie for the White Sox. Hassan, and Guthrie. Where are we on time? Oh, we're doing pretty good on time. Still under 20 minutes. It's about half an hour to get through these 36 packs. Votto, LaRoche, Holiday. It's a cool card. League Leaders. We have the Tigers, the A's, and the Mariners. And we have Beltre. And we have Profar, Futures Now. Fuentes, rookie. Carp. Logan. Gordon. You know, I haven't seen a lot in this box is Yankees. I feel like I've only seen like 3 or 4 Yankees in the whole box so far. It's going to be loaded on the second end, but I don't really put a lot. Usually Yankees, there's a ton of Yankee stuff. It's weird. Machado, Revere, Cueto, Alvarez. Alright, this box just keeps going here. A nice upper class Bryce Harper for the Nationals. This box has been, I'm very happy with this box. Simmons, Moreau, Vernon Wells, Wheeler, and A-Rod. As I say, I haven't got any Yankees, got like 3 in that pack. A very good box. Very happy with this box. Hope the next box is just as good. Rios, Grilli, Perez, Venable. Got a mini Mike Schmidt retro. All rookie cap team, Jim Rice. Shoop rookie. Bonifacio, Smoke will take home the league leaders. And Josh Fields. Alright, let's move these back. Got a new pack, new pile going here. Finish off. Got Lynn, Owings, rookie. Miley, Gomes, Rivera, Adrian Gonzalez, and the Marlins. Everybody was a... I know Adrian Gonzalez was drafted by the Marlins. Learn something new every day. Anyway, there he is. Doolittle. And it's not a variation card. Stubbs, Carpenter, Tuliasopo. Tuliasopo. Didn't sound right. I can hear it in my mind, but I just can't get it out of my mouth. Alright, Jeter. Darvish, Ozuna, Murphy, league leaders, Cardinals, Nationals, Dodgers. And there we go. We have another Shelby Miller Futures now. I think it's our second card of this. So we have 2 Shelby Miller Futures now cards. Almonte, Arcia, Getz, Rondon. Bruce Rondon. We got Blanton. We got Leak. We got Fister. We got Moreland. We got a nice Yu Darvish Power Player card. Nice. Jay Bruce Upper Class. Brett Gardner. Hechavarria. Benoit Soriano. Samradija. I don't know how to say his name. Bruce. Okay, looks like we got an old retro card in here. Nelson. League leaders. This is Detroit and Baltimore. Rivera. Oh, it's actually an old card. Is this is this 59? No. Yeah, 59? Actually in decent shape too. Well, it's got a crease. It is 59. So you've got for the Cardinals, you've got a crease on top here. You got rounded corners. You got jacked up 2 top corners. But you're not too bad. At least you're not missing paper like the other one was. So yeah, and it's old. 59. Sam Jones. Pretty cool. At least it's not like a 1983 Topps or something, you know. Royals. Dyson. Puig base. Stoltz. Sweeney. Nothing worse than getting like it's like a retro card, but it's like 1982 Topps. It's like that's not. Give me something old, please. It's gonna be all jacked up. Perez, Martin rookie, Swisher. Another league leaders. This is Orioles, Detroit, and Blue Jays. So the Orioles could take home both cards. They're so lucky. Murphy rookie, Yankees. We have a red parallel rookie, Hamilton for the Reds. And Mariners, Iwaka. Got Hellickson, Got Farquaad, which always reminds me of Shrek, and Betancourt. Still have 2 League Leaders cards sitting out here. Which team are they going to? Buckholz, Peavy, Nunez, Crawford, power player, I guess. Not weird. Pedroia, upper class. DeRosa, Cardinals. Take home this one. Ross, Hunley, Sogard, and Gennett. Alright, 2 more packs to go. We're on the home stretch. Home stretch. Have a great box. Belt, Skaggs, Zimmerman, Nicasio, another Zach Wheeler Futures now. It's our second Zach Wheeler Futures now. Holmberg, rookie. Erlin, rookie. Marte, Valbuena, and Helton. Looks different than that Helton card we got. I think that was a checklist or something. And we got Wong, rookie. Alonso. Pilar, rookie. Napoli. Ted Williams, before they were great. That's a cool card for the Red Sox. Morton, Beckett, and Cespedes. Playing with the A's on my 2013 MLB the show game, and Cespedes is just killing me on my team. Teheran, I don't know how to say his name. Hill, Cahill. That's kind of weird. Another rookie group here. This is the Tigers, Twins, and Angels for League Leaders. Got Rollins. We have a nice Ernie Banks, upper class, the Cubs. Alvarez, Nice, Loney, Mayberry. A couple more packs to go. If we don't pull one of these cards, I'll just cut the deck randomly and we'll go through until we pull a card to see where the team's going. Seems like the easiest way to do it. Bettis, rookie. Harper, Pedroia, Seager. Alright, Victor Martinez makes it easy for us. Let's give them both the Tigers. Jose Batista, Red Sparkle, Claspo, Hanaran, Broxton, Myers. Last pack, final pack. What's it going to be in our final pack? Already gotten a little everything. Pretty good. No relics, but that's okay. I'll take the autograph. Ruiz, Molina, Paxton rookie, Shearholtz, Suzuki, Gregor Blanco gold, Matt Harvey, haven't seen him yet, Kluber, Rajat Davis, Arroyo. Well, that concludes our break. Just under 30 minutes, and so lots of great inserts, lots of before they are now, or lots of the future is now cards with Puig and Shelby Miller, and we got the Bryce Harper card. And we got, of course, our hit, which is our Brandon Belt short print autograph, which is what makes this an A box, along with all the other things. So, one more box. 2014 Topps Baseball next week. Hopefully it does as well as this box. So until next week, I'll get these cards out to you, and have a good week.